waiting to see your face. Cold streetlights flicker, time slipped away. I called your name in the empty night, still believing you'd be alright. Sirens crying through the dark, strangers whisper, breaking my heart. I run closer, hands shaking blue. Then the world fell silent without you. You're gone and the night won't breathe. I'm standing here where you should be. I loved you more than words could say. Now love is all that slipped away under the rain and the fading light. My heart broke when you lost your light. Raindrops blur the tears I hide. Your jacket's cold, still smells like mine. We had tomorrow, dreams to keep. Now I'm alone, learning how to grieve. I was coming just to hold you tight. Never thought this was our last goodbye. Every promise echoes through a future that died.